Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this infographic. So first of all, what you're going to do is just go and insert a rectangle. Then the next thing you have to do is put a pantaloon on top. Then we're going to insert it duplicated, change the colors. Here we go. Then the next thing you have to do is insert another symbol or an infographic. So here we go. Then what we're gonna do is just duplicate the shapes. Here we go. We're gonna change the colors. So one by one, after changing the colors, we're also gonna replace the other symbols. Here we go. Then what we're gonna do is just insert lines for the border. Here we go. After making the outline, we're gonna change its color to black. We're gonna insert a title. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel.